You have the moon coming in, four of wands coming through, and the hierophant coming in. Hello. Hello, Scorpio. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. Thank you so much for being part of this Moonian family. This is a monthly reading for April 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us. Take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't, because this is based on a collective energy. So do check in your other signs. All right, as an oracle, we have Auburn coming in with ground yourself, 11 energy, ground your thoughts. Let's not get too triggered or think negatively. Analyze the situation, the outcome of it, the potential, because you're still thinking of a potential, right? So let's make that a little more positive so that we don't get flighty or anxious or fearful. That energy is coming in. Walking in nature will be very, very beneficial. Align your thoughts. We have black also coming in. Find richness from the dark night is the energy which is coming through. What have you gained? Whatever kind of past pains and hurts that have occurred in your life, you have experienced, you have grown out of each and every experience of yours. What is the current situation? If you're experiencing certain kind of challenge, what is the gift in the present challenge in what you are experiencing? Try understanding that. What is the universe trying, or life in itself, trying to teach you, or your soul journey trying to teach you? Because the path ahead is all of elevation. Grow from this situation is also coming through. We have magenta coming in, which is more like a fuchsia pink over here. Connect to your deepest inner knowing, number 5 coming in, number 28 coming through. Number 5 talks about change, transformation. So listening to your intuition is also coming through over here. You know what came in? Lady in red. That came in because for a second I was just adding the colors and seeing what color comes through, and that rose energy came through. What? We have rose. Number 6 coming in, attract a relationship. I think this came in for Aries too. Oh, both are actually also led by Mars. Whoa, okay. I'm getting a little. Ooh. The coolness of this has me feeling a little fainty. Like, that was amazing. 5 and 6 when you add it together is an 11. Over here, certain kind of completion, dark night of the soul experience that you have, that has led to your transformation, and you're elevating, you're radiating so beautifully. Past and new lovers could be also rushing in is the energy which is coming through over here. Or if you are in a stable relationship, this is just the next level which will be opening up for you because their love for you is growing. That energy just wanted to come out. If you're single, your loved ones are supporting you and you are elevating, raising your standards, and that's changing who you are attracting in your life. And right now my heart chakra is exploding. Know that it is safe for you to love and that you deserve the love that you bestow upon others, you give to others. Give it to yourself is also coming through. What a beautiful energy over here. What beautiful synchronicities. Signs and synchronicities are helping you go forward. Wow. Definitely keeping the rose in the front. This is too nice. Soulmate energy coming in, pulling in your, attracting your soulmate is the energy which is coming through over here. All right, what? This is so amazing. Can't believe it actually happened. Because for the first time I was actually merging colors. I'm an artist, right? So I was just merging the colors and seeing in my head's palette how will it look, and it just gave me that rose thing, which is why I sang that. Lady in red. Na, 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 na. That finesse, dignity, elegance, all of that which is coming in, the richness. which is oozing out of you. I'm not talking monetarily, but just your personality is so rich and it is shining. We have passion coming in. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Open your heart. And we have this could be the one coming through. You've already met a romantic partner you seek. We have stay optimistic about your love life. I was thinking talking about your thinking, and we have clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Pay attention to the red flags which is coming in. Maybe this may be a caution that you may be there's certain kind of past instances which are triggering in the present, and they're reactivating those defense mechanism. But the current situation may be very different now. Even if it is with the same person, it may be very different, and it's asking you, calling you to look at things in a different light is also the energy. We have religious factors, heart to heart conversations which are very much important, light-hearted energy coming in. Trust the feelings, trust your intuition which is coming through. A very, very beautiful time which is opening up. This is a very genuine connection. The other person may be realizing that you're the one for them, and they would just want to be open and very eager to know you, to rediscover who you are. That energy, the clarity which is coming through, very deep passion, and you may be attracting this into your life. It's almost like the choice is yours, is the energy, and someone who is becoming more clearer as to who you are in their life, or potential life partner could also be coming through. I don't know. Let's see. What are the 3D energies for Scorpions? Okay, so we have the Knight of Cups coming in reverse, which is talking about a little bit of clarity which is required. This may also be saying, like, in the past perhaps you took in a lot of, you jumped into relationships being led by your passion is also kind of coming through. We have the Knight of Swords coming in reverse, two Knight energies coming in. Maybe in the past there was a little bit, like, perhaps from another person, a little bit of immaturity which caused a little bit of hurt. So there are feelings, but there is a confusion which is going on, inner conflict energy which is coming through over here. We have the King of Swords coming in, which is talking about sticking too surely to your guns, being a little shrewd or a little blunt when you're talking, a little too much. So tone it down a notch is also kind of coming through. Express yourself gracefully, that is also coming through. Certain kind of past learnings that we need to let go of, or holding on to principles, core ideologies which may be obsolete now. We have the Five of Swords coming through. This could have involved you or them walking away. But in the current situation, if you have been thinking about separation, that is not on their mind. But yes, even this person may have had to or still needs to let go of certain kind of equations they have in their life which may be a little toxic, that, but they don't want to let go of this connection is the energy. We have Two of Cups coming in reverse over here. Someone who may be thinking, how deep is your love, is the energy which is coming through. There are feelings growing over here, but certain kind of escapism which is coming through, or they're not ready for a relationship as such is also the energy coming in, but they feel very strongly for you. We have the Hermit card coming in reverse, Virgo Major Arcana. This could have been a person who is acting introvert, a little distant, but the clarity is setting in, and the hermit mode where they may have retreated, they're coming back with, and each step that they're taking, they're becoming more sure or more clearer about you. And at the end, we have Three of Pentacles. They want to build this connection is coming in. Three of Pentacles talks about skills, hidden talents, gifts which are deeply embedded in you, perhaps collected over past lifetimes also. And this is a time where it will be awakening that passion of yours, finding or pursuing your passion also, just not romantically, professionally too, or side by side energy. And now I'm very excited. But doing something you are passionate about evokes all kind of passion in your life, attracts more passion into your life romantically too, is a reminder coming in. And I feel a lot of angelic blessing coming in, supporting your dreams. Put in the hard work, learn, plant new seeds together is the energy coming through. Wanting to grow in this relationship, wanting to overcome the obstacles that may be there, maybe like internally they feel there is an obstacle where there isn't, but still wanting to overcome that in order to help build together. That is the energy which is coming in. If the Knight of Cups, the Sword of Cups, Knight of Swords, I don't know what I'm saying right now. All of this is like become more honest with yourself. You don't have to control other people in order to feel a sense of control or validation of sorts that one may require. Validate yourself is also coming in. Hitting around the bushes will not be that beneficial. Don't try, although it is very enticing and very interesting to read between the lines, but sometimes just having a conversation, realistically, heart to heart conversation, really helps. So the mystery of you always continues to mesmerize many, but sometimes you just have to become clearer and less elusive. This could be coming in for the other person also, that they need to become clearer now, because mixed signals could be coming through with this person. They may have hidden their feelings is also coming through. This month is all about like personal power. That is what is coming through. Any kind of clarity that is required for us to understand what is happening over here. These are way too many cards. King of Cups and the King of Pentacles coming in. Wow. Life partner energy coming through. Calling in your soulmate. Calling in your life partner. What do you want? Clearly decide and work towards it. Don't self-sabotage with negative thinking is also coming in. What do you want will be yours. But believe, have the courage of thinking big. Alright. You have the Moon coming in, Four of Wands coming through, and the Hierophant coming in. Hello. Wedding bells coming in, Nine of Cups, dream fulfillment. Someone is quite ecstatic about you, and Eight of Pentacles also at the top. Someone's quite ecstatic about you, quite excited about you. With the Moon card coming in, this is talking about Cancerian energy and Pisces too. The Hierophant is Taurus energy, and Four of Wands brings in a lot of personal life bliss. And that is what I'm seeing over here. Wanting to celebrate with you feelings that have been hidden, and someone who is slowly and steadily wanting to ground this scenario and become more serious. They're very serious about you is the energy which is coming in. They are taking you seriously is also coming through over here. Maybe they had to retreat a little so that they could see you clearly, because they felt like, they were just, it was all getting too hazy, like being so close to you, that kind of a thing, a close encounter. That energy over here. They want to confess all they feel for you. Marriage energy is coming in, quite honestly. Very determined to be with you, to win you. That energy is coming in. 11-11 energy with the Four of Wands over here. And they want this connection to stay. You to stay in their life is also coming in. They are awakening about this, all of this. They don't want to run anymore, because they see you are the one for them. They just want to be more sure, or they are sure. That is the energy which is coming through. Reveal your deeper feelings is also coming in. Secrets will be coming out, and even like generally I feel like miracles, expect miracles energy coming in. Manifesting your wildest dreams into a waking reality, that kind of a mentality. or that kind of happening in your life. All right, is there anything that you would like to say to our scorpions over here or the cross watcher? Thank you. We have I wish the best for you. Yes, they do. There are cycles being played out coming in, so become aware of that for your own self, because you both are growing, maybe even leaving behind karmic patterns. They need to end certain things in order to come towards you, because they don't want any kind of interruptions anymore. For some, it could be, for very few out there, could be like they could be married and they're undergoing a certain kind of separation in towards coming towards you. I don't know. I wished upon a star for you and the love. Yeah, you are the dream fulfillment is coming in. They have wished for you. That's why they also wish the best for you. I wish the timing was right. I wish I had done that instead of what I said. All of that kind of coming through. We have, I hope someday the timing will be right. Yeah, they are thinking about divine timing. It may not be right at the moment because they want to build themselves up, or they want to give you the space. Whatever it is, like, it's different scenarios. Could be two people in separation who are realizing how strong this bond is, what the other person means to them, and all of that also. I miss us, yes, that's a clarifier for those in separation or in minimal to none contact also. They want to spend time with you, they really wish the best for you. It's like this kind of a partner is someone, especially a new one who will be coming in, you haven't met or had any kind of past connection with. I don't know, like, you may have crossed paths but not realized, because there is a very strong soulmate energy coming in. This is going to be a very fulfilling relationship. Someone who's serious, who truly values you, has the hearts for you, like, is all fired up, passionate about you, expressive, explosive, also a little, but in a very cute, playful way. Triple three, can't express how happy I am. A small surprise is on its way. Wow. Triple three, you could be seeing triple three. Things are working in your favor behind the curtains, and they will be revealed in the right time. Stay optimistic. I often think of us in the future. Yes, they are thinking about like long term. How will you be as a partner long term? This could be a financial opportunity also coming in, and someone is seeing you as being very lucrative. Today my wording is like just off base. I need to deal with this first. Yeah, exactly, like, whether even if it is self-imposed, but kind of obstacles, these milestones, something that they have to achieve before they are worthy of being with you, that kind of a thing is coming in, but very much eager to run towards you, to make positive changes in this connection, advance forward as naturally, authentically as possible. Very much mesmerized by you. Become aware of the repeated patterns that may be occurring in your life. Why are certain events re entering your life? Why are you randomly thinking about something of the past that you may have to release or forgive? Others, starting with yourself, is also something that you need to become aware of. Good, happy times are coming your way for sure. What is coming in? Angels, what would you like to say? Thank you. We have children coming in. Know that your children are protected. The tiger coming in is talking about protection, yes. Victory. You are protected. Don't think that you are alone. Your loved ones, guidance, spirit guides, angels are protecting you, guiding you, looking over you. At the bottom, we have knowledge, seek knowledge, and we have Battle of the Blues. take steps towards positive change. It is really going to highly benefit you. I just want to read this one. All parents first and foremost responsibility is to keep their children safe from harm. The angels want to reassure you that all is well. Your children in heaven and on earth are loved and protected by God and the angels. You are loved, cherished, and feel secure as your home and family environment improve. The mantra is my children are happy and safe. You could also say I am happy, I am safe. That root chakra grounding energy which is coming through over here. Rebalancing your root chakra energy, feeling more secure in who you are. Lastly, what will the angels like to say to us? Thank you. We have major shift coming in. Angels indicate that you are at a junction in life where you need to be decisive as there will be a major shift in your life. Pray to the angels to give you strength and help you go through this phase gracefully. Wow. At the bottom we have shielding and protection again coming in. There is a lot of jealousy and evil eye on you. Pray to Archangel Michael for shielding and protection coming in. Protect your energy is also coming through. Do some cleansing rituals, saging, and all of that. Wearing evil eye or an amulet for that, or burning candles, sage, or Palo Santo, incense cones, and all of that will be very, very beneficial for you. Do something which protects your aura, energy field, your home. It will be very, very beneficial for you. And with the shift which came in and Archangel Michael coming through over here, has this thing of an ending, justice, judgment being made, things, justice being served, transformations which are happening, quick exits which will be happening because we are clearing the slate, aligning the plates now for a new cornucopia, a new abundant and indulgent feast to be served. Okay. But call upon Archangel Michael and his legion of angels if you want. I'll just wait, there's siren going on. One reason for that siren to be popping in in a synchronized way today, my words. Coming back, pay attention to the red flags or don't get limited by those because they may be something which is coming in because of the past and not something which is particularly relevant for the present. Become aware of that. But when such sirens and something or the other synchronizes, it's the message which was being said which has more relevance. All right, like pay attention to what is being said. That kind of a thing is also coming in. When you speak, also express yourself gracefully is coming through. Stand up for yourself, but do it elegantly with grace, which is coming in, with finesse, which you have so much of that, like a richness in you, etiquettes, and you carry yourself so elegantly and like so powerfully. That is coming through. Embrace all that you are and let your shine illuminate the rooms that you enter, walk into. I don't know. I wanted to say something more grand, but that is where it went. So, anyways, thank you so much for your precious time and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you enjoyed this reading, then please do hit like and share it with your loved ones if you feel they will benefit from this. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, abundance, and beautiful blessings to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Monians.